Hello, my name is Luke Flynn, and for my final projects, I have made a cat ear counter and a web scraper. So for the first one, it is a cat ear counter. So I took Lab 7, which was it's basically a power calculator. So if I do 2 to the third, that should be 8. And then so it takes the answer and then it counts that number of ears. So on 4 cats, there are 8 ears. And then if there are, let's say, well, and then just make sure the math is right. So it should be 1. And so for if there's an ear, if it's odd, basically, it has an extra ear at the end because you can't have half a cat. And then if it's greater than, I believe, 40. So if it's like 40 squared or something, some big number, it doesn't want to make 1600 cat ears. So I can do like, actually, yeah. So 29, so there's 14 cats. You can count them, and then there's 1 ear tacked on at the end. And then the clear button works as well. And that's pretty much it for the cat ear counter. And then for my second one, I did a web scraper, which has 2 options for the radio buttons. So there we go. So you can do an IMDb top 1,000 movies, or for the book scraper, it's I believe 50 pages of books basically. I'm not sure. I should have these open actually, but it does it does take a while for the code to work. Yeah, see, and I have a counter for this one. So it takes a while, but I have them all open here. So here's the what is this? The books. These are the books. Just outputs them into an Excel file, and it's pretty long, so there's 1,000 of them. And then for movies, pretty much the same thing. There's 1,000 of them. And then for the CSV files, here's books, and then top 1,000 movies. And then, so what I've learned is to incorporate functions into a GUI, and then I also learned how to scrape websites by translating HTML code into Python, and then looping through the values that I want. Uh, Thanks for watching. This has been my projects. Goodbye.